Hello students, in today's video we are going to discuss the concept of factorial and fundamental principle of counting.
The factorial is a new concept that you're going to learn. Suppose if I take 5, you keep multiplying till you reach 1. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That is called 5 factorial. If I ask you 6 factorial, you start from 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is called 6 factorial. If it is 3 factorial, what do you write? What is 3 factorial? 3 into 2 into 1. 4 factorial? 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So this is called as the factorial. Factorial is nothing but you just multiply some whole number up to 1. Okay, that is if you take 5, you multiply 5 up to 1. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So it is called factorial. So for any natural number n, factorial is the product of first n natural numbers. So 5 factorial means the product of first 5 natural numbers. 6 factorial means the product of first 6 natural numbers. Now, there is a way or method or notation to denote factorial. The notation is 5, the exclamation sign. This is the sign we use for factorial. Or we can also write it as 5 like this. So 5 factorial. We read it as 5 factorial. In maths, it is not an exclamation mark. It is called as factorial. So 6 factorial is 6. You can put like this or you can write like this. So in general, n factorial. You can write it as like n with the exclamatory mark or n like this. So what is n factorial? You start with n. What is the next number? What will be the next number? What is the number? Subtract 1 from n. What do you get? N minus 1. See, if it is 5 factorial, you write it as 5 into the next number. How do you get the next number? 5 minus 1. How do you get the next number? 5 minus 2. Isn't it 3? Next number? 5 minus 3. So if instead of 5, if you take n, it will be n minus 1. The next number will be n minus 2. Then n minus 3. It goes on like this till you reach 1. So this is n factorial. So what will be 8 factorial? 8, then 7, 6, 5, up to 1. That is called 8 factorial. What will be 4 factorial? 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. What is 10 factorial? 10 into 9 into 8 up to 1. So we can write this as 10. 9 into 8 into 7 into 1 is nothing but 9 factorial. 10 factorial, you can write it as 10 into 9 factorial. The same way, 7 factorial, you can write it as 7 into 6 factorial. Or you can write it as 7 into 6 into 5 factorial. So in general, you can write n factorial as n into n minus 1 factorial also. So you should know this concept. Then the second concept is basic counting principles. Basic counting principle. You have two. One is multiplication principle and the next one is addition principle. So let us see what is the multiplication principle. Suppose if you have 2 shirts and 3 pants. How many different choices you can have? How many different outfits you can have? Or how many different choices can you have? So I'll write this as shirt 1, shirt 2, and pant I will write. So shirt 1, you can take one of these pants. So you can have shirt 1 and pant 1. That is one choice. Write like this. Or you can have shirt 1 and pant 2. You can list it out like this. S1 and pant 2. This is one outfit, one choice or one combination. S1 and P3. Shirt 1 and pant 3. That is one outfit. Similarly, you can have S2 and P1. S2 and P2. S2 and P3. There are 6 choices. Suppose if it is instead of 2, if you have 4 shirts and 7 pants, how many different choices will be there? You have to just multiply. There are 2 ways of taking the shirt and there are 3 ways of choosing the pant. So total number is 2 into 3. You are choosing a shirt and a pant. There are 6 ways. So this is called multiplication principle. There are 2 jobs, one which can be completed in m ways. One can be done in m ways, another can be done in n ways. Then the 2 jobs together in succession can be done in m into n ways. So this is called the multiplication principle of counting. So for example, in this sum, 2 shirts and you had 3 pants. This is m and this is n. So the total will be m into n. So that is the multiplication principle. Now we will come to the addition principle. If there are 3 boys and 4 girls in the class. There are 3 boys and 4 girls. We want to choose one monitor. How many choices are there? So there are 3 boys here, or you can choose from the girls. So 3 or 4, that means 3 plus 4 here, 7. Either you choose from the boys or from the girls, but only one. So totally how many chances are there here? 7. You just add here. So when it is or, then it is addition here. Okay, this is called addition principle. So you have something called multiplication principle and addition principle.